Okay, happy hump day and welcome to another day at the sawmill. Today's project is going to be to take some of this garbage wood that we have, which somebody dumped off from a tree service, which is really not very millable, and we'll probably cut this up and make it into firewood because it's better firewood than logs for milling. I mean, when you get a piece of wood like this guy here, you take a look at him, he's not straight. 12-inch diameter at the most. It's just garbage wood. This piece here, look at the curve on this thing. By the time we straighten it out, there's no wood. This guy here is all rotten. So we'll turn this stuff into firewood. We'll chainsaw it up. And the other thing we're going to do is hopefully take some of these pieces of wood here. Boy Scouts still need a little bit more wood. And we'll take some of these and cut these into large logs or pieces of wood for the Boy Scouts. I think they're looking for more 2x10s or 2x12s or something like that. So we'll do that. Additionally, we need to get some more tomato stakes. So we'll see how it goes. First step though is Doug and I are going to replace and sharpen a couple more of these teeth on the blades since we keep hitting nails. Brand new carbide tips on this thing and we hit 2 or 3 nails already. So we'll do a little bit better with a metal detector. Okay, so that's our plan of action for today. Happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody. Thank you very much for all the vets for serving and all that good stuff. And thanks to everybody out there. All right, well here we go. So here's what happens when you hit a nice nail with the brand new carbide. It's missing, so Doug's already got it out. But take a look at these. These are brand new, except where he screwed some of them up by whacking a couple of pieces on them.
It's a good one to show.
Yeah, that's not what we need. That little chip in here. So what we'll do is we will change that out and see what happens. There's a little bit better picture of that thing zoomed in on it. And here's what they're supposed to look like when they don't hit nails. So the way this works is it's actually pretty slick. We got this little tool here which Doug is fiddling with.
Yeah, trying to get it in the hole.
Trying to get in the hole. I can't help you with that, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Then we crank it around.
Yeah.
And we're good to go. And here we go. I'll hold this thing here and probably not help at all.
Yeah, this probably isn't a good one to show for
The good news is I can edit this stuff out.
Yeah.
So here we are. He kind of set that thing up through there. Then we get ready with any luck. So this has to go through here for sure. Yep. And now put that in there. And now we'll do it this way.
It's frustrating having to figure this out every time we do it.
You know what though? I know. It gets worse as you get older. All right. So you hold on to that and I'll the blade and I will try and push this down and take pictures at the same time. I gotta go more. Ready? I'm gonna bang it.
Oh, that's in.
That's in. Look at that. What a job. Now look at this. My God, is that wonderful.
And this one probably needs to
Is that the right one? Yeah, that's the right one. Where's it go?
This one I think probably should come out too.
This one here.
It's questionable.
It's questionable. Let's take it out. It's questionable. So here to take this bad boy out. Put this thing through there. This gizmo through there. Somebody holds the blade, lock the blade down, crank it out. Drop that son of a gun down there.
You saved that, that's the important thing.
I saved the important thing. The carbide went southbound. And then we'll put a little bit of WD on it. Hold this. Boy Scouts of America.
Scouts.
Oh, okay. All right.
There you go.
Yeah, it's not on right.
No, push it down further. No, I think you're on. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Doug's having a problem getting it in the hole.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oops, no, nope, that goes through. Nope. This goes through here. Pull it out. This goes here.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep. And then, that's all right. There you go. Put that bad boy in there. There. There you go.
Am I in? Oh, now I'm in.
Now he's in the hole. Crack
Alright,
that
I'll
guy a
hold this.
little. You got it.
Here, let me tap it while you
Go ahead, you tap it. I'll take pictures. That's the important part. That's all she wrote.
Yep.
Nice job. Sweet.
That's not all the way. I'll tap it
All right.
more. Now it's in.
Push these doors, get a bigger hammer. All right, Doug. Now we got those guys done. Let's take a quick peek and see what nails we can hook.
Like these two here probably can come out.
This one for sure. This one's.
Yeah.
This one's.
Well, that other one we grinded so much off of it.
Yeah. I mean, this is terrible.
Yeah.
Let's let her rip. Pull her out, right?
Grab a bit and put it. So it can go right into it.
Yeah. Yes. And I will. Go ahead. Yep. I got the blade.
Try chopping.
Yeah, tap. Go ahead. There you go. Keep going. I got this.
There you go. Got that out? This is
that.
how we're supposed to do it.
Well, good thing we can cut and paste this thing.
Yeah.
There you go. No WD. Oh, that. You know what though? You're exactly right. So that's how to replace one. That's not quite yet. Keep going. Or I'll hit. Yep. Still not. No, I think that's about it. Yeah.
No, that's not.
No, it's gonna go down. Okay.
That hurts. Let me need a mallet.
There
or
you go.
something.
No, you're in.
Not entirely.
Not
It's not flush
okay,
yet.
Not flush. All right.
You ready?
Yep. I can hear it. You can hear it.
That hurts. Mallet would be nice. Mallet next
No,
time.
that costs money. There you go. Nice job. Nice. What did we put? Dude, I don't want to say this. We put a chipped one in.
Yeah, but that's got a lot of meat on it. A lot of
Okay.
carbide.
All right.
This one's got a big chip in it. This one probably needs to come out.
Well, he could be sharp. I don't know. Whatever you think. You want to pull him out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we're learning how to do this. This is an interesting project, you know, because you do these things once in a while. We never get good at it. You know what I mean? We don't do it every day. Okay, now let's spray it. Spray it first.
Yep.
Watch your fingers.
Yep.
Watch your eyes.
Good.
You know. All right. Do a little bit different angle here. Put that puppy in there. Now, for everybody who looked at this lubricant, you understand we're using WD-40, and everybody knows where WD-40 came from. WD stands for, Doug, water displacement.
I don't remember.
And number 40 because it was their 40th try. So WD-40 is water displacement number 40.
Good.
And we're good. Now that's the way to do that. Look at that baby. Woo, is she sharp. This will be cutting steel in no time. Every nail we find will cut.
Yeah.
I hope.
Sure will.
There's another chipped one here. You know,
How bad is that one? Yeah. that
50%. Let's get rid of her. All right, now that Doug's an expert on this,
one. I wouldn't go that far.
until we forget what we're doing until next week.
Yeah.
I mean, all right, blade locked. All right, go for it a little bit. You know what? You're right though. It's a little bit more.
Huh?
Good.
WD-40?
WD-40. Yes. Sorry, forgot my job here.
No, that's okay.
All right, watch your eyes. Hang on.
Good.
Good. Good. All right, get the new one started. Oops, not you in?
Yep.
All right, man, is this easy to do? God bless, Doug.
Once you get
You know what the
figured out-
trick is? So the trick here we're learning is don't take it out all the way. That's got a nice chip.
That one's
You know what though?
it's got a lot of meat on it.
It's got a lot of meat on it, yeah. Some cut wood.
This one.
This one for sure. These next two,
Oh yeah.
they're like, what the hoe? All right. All right.
Grab a new bit.
Fudge.
That's okay.
Alright, we got it.
WD-40.
WD.
Good.
Put this bad boy in. All right.
Perfect.
Man alive, are we a team here or what?
Experts.
Yeah. That tap is a good idea. Stop. Good.
Grab a bit.
Stop. Careful here, dude.
Okay.
You're pulling that loose.
Okay.
All right. Hold that bar straight. There you go. Ready? Doesn't get better than that.
Yeah.
Jeez. Of course, we put another.
It's okay. That one can be sharpened.
What about this one here? Well,
Same thing. Those have plenty of carbide on.
nice. I can't fix that.
No, but it makes a nice way to tell when you've been all the way around.
That
the blade.
makes a nice way to tell. Yep. All right. We want to run the sharpener down on this guy.
Yeah.
All right.
That one doesn't have a lot of carbide left on it at all. I'm thinking about that.
No, let's since we got it going, let's do it. A little more. Tap works well. A little more. Oop. Ready? Stop. Now hold. Just make sure you hold that guy straight. Okay. WD.
Good.
All right. Next in. Nice. Ready? You hold the. Stop.
A little more. Right there.
Kind of hear it when it's done. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It sounds like
Sometimes it sounds like it's in.
Uh-huh.
It's seated, but it isn't entirely. I still have plenty of carbide left on it, so and that one's.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. We're good. Now we want to sharpen this. Do some sharpening here. All right. So let's sharpen a few of these guys. All right. That's all right.
Sharpen some teeth.
Sharpen some teeth. I feel like I'm going to the dentist here.
Okay.
And we had a pretty good setup last time.
Yep.
This guy.
Right here to this one. This one gives us an extra inch or two.
Yep. And we will start at the missing tooth. So we have a reference point.
We're not going to do all of them, are we? We can just touch all of them, I guess.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt to touch them all. Let's start our first. You see the missing one?
Probably the farthest one.
Hey. Oh, we must.
Did it grow a new tooth?
It grew a new tooth. It grew a new tooth. All right. So the way this worked. Oh, get our gloves on because this carbide is so dull. I mean. So let's start on this one up here, Doug. Or you know what I mean? That way now it just starts like a chainsaw. And I think, so you put it on there and I kind of held it, right? I pulled it towards us because we're missing the little thing there.
Right here.
He's already found the nail.
Already found a nail? Good.
Stay there. Hey, Tom.
So I think that I pulled that. Ready? Does it look good?
Yep. That's all you need to
So
do.
you need to-
There you go, Jim. This is spot up everything. We got it.
see it doing it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think we took way too much.
Yeah, yeah, that wouldn't surprise me, but you know, we're learning, right? Wow. And you got good eyes. You see things. Wow. It's fast also.
Yeah, it is.
So once we do this, we should, you know.
See, that got frame.
I can't see it like you can, you know what I
You
mean?
had their mask on, the mine. Gooses.
Gooses. That one's kind of
You got goose, guess you got, what's a poor old moose? Mooses?
You're right.
Meese.
It looks good. It's
I don't know,
We're
half
not,
rocky.
we're just touching it
Yeah,
up.
right.
Yeah. We had already sharpened those last week. So. Good.
Put a top off people. Talk to Al?
You know what I
Can't
mean?
talk to him yet?
Gotta do this.
Oh, well, that's all.
The other day I saw a
Something come up.
Forgot all about it.
Yeah.
Shit, that's a big deal. I just wonder how he's doing.
It still has that chip, but I'm gonna.
Yeah, well, the more we grind them, the more it'll
See,
go
he
away.
came by and seen the mess up again.
hell of it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it makes it a whole lot easier.
So is somebody gonna dig out that one nail then, or?
It is good one time, just did all that, like Bob was saying, all that wood in there, put it over on this side, it used to be, a long time ago. And that way, we can throw the wood over further, so they just come in and scoop it up, and then come in that way and get the trailer out. So they can sawdust, just turn the trailer around. That way, if we don't do it one week, it's not a big deal. You know?
Something like to see.
What's really fun to me, because I got a few logs over there that Doug brought down, and Wayne brought down. We can still keep that shit there. That's never hurt nothing. Just keep it in there. So you can get the tractor in there and pull the.
There's about 8 of them in there.
Yeah. We'll put them here and just double stack them if we have to. No big deal. Just get it opened up that way. Everybody, we keep it safe that way. Well, what you were thinking? Yeah, I know. It's easier to work. It's better to work easier than it is to work harder. You ain't gotta lift it for one time. You're done with it. We lift it 3 or 4 times. Oh no, I clean that.
Still has a chip.
Yeah, they do. Are you ready? Get a shovel. Take that. No.
So you find a nail in there, Nick, huh?
I did. Gary did. He found something. And both of them are pretty big. Yeah, just the one. I tried. We painted it.
So we got one log.
Are you gonna pull it out with a chainsaw?
Huh?
Are you gonna pull it out?
Oh no, what's in there? We just painted it.
Let's dig it out.
Yeah. Well, it sounds big. Whatever.
Oh.
Because you got big turn.
That was smart. Yep.
Man, I went to Giant last night. I said, I didn't even wear my face mask. I didn't know how to go on. Seen 3 or 4 people in the hot no big house. Got some bitch on. You see what paint is on the one with Harry here. That little metal detector, man, it's pretty good. Pretty solid. That's good, dude.
Close.
Yeah, we have a forklift. Yeah. We'll look out.
You see that grease streak coming
This
in?
one, I need to take a little bit off.
That one,
That's the one that had.
that one we
was
could
the new one that had the
replace.
chip in
Yeah.
it. Good.
That's it. All right, well, there we go. All of our carbide is sharpened. So here's what these guys look like once we sharpen them with this carbide. It does a nice job until we hit another nail. So we'll be cutting wood like a big dog today, and we'll see how that works out.